This is the National Weather Service in Springfield with a severe weather and heavy rainfall update as of 12 p.m. Wednesday, March 17th, 2021. Here are the key messages we would like to get across to you all for this afternoon's event. Thunderstorms will be redeveloping across southwest Missouri as early as 1 to 2 p.m. this afternoon. Severe thunderstorms are likely this afternoon and evening across the area. Heavy rainfall potential, 1 to 3 inches is expected through tonight, and there does remain some possibility for flooding. Some scattered showers will linger into Thursday, and it will be turning much colder. So let's take a look at the afternoon and evening outlook. As you will see on the map, most of southwest Missouri, the southern part of Missouri, is under either a slight or an enhanced risk. So that's kind of a 2 or 3 out of a 1 to 5 scale. You will notice that the really high chances for severe weather, where we're expecting an outbreak, that is going to occur well southeast of the region, from Memphis down into Mississippi and Alabama. However, nonetheless, we are looking at this afternoon, generally from 1 to 9 p.m. is the window where we could experience severe thunderstorms. Locally, the highest chances will generally be south of Interstate 44. The main threats from some of the more significant storms across the area today will be hail to the size of golf balls, damaging wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. There could be a few tornadoes and frequent cloud-to-ground lightning. Let's get a little bit more specific with the timing of these severe thunderstorms. So on the map here is kind of a general time frame of when we're expecting the highest potential for severe thunderstorms. Most of the areas from Joplin to Springfield to Branson, across southwest Missouri, any time in that 1 p.m. to 6 p.m. time frame is the highest chances for those severe thunderstorms. Therefore, kind of locally in the Springfield metro area, that could affect the evening rush hour in that 4 to 6 time frame. Areas further east you go, from Lebanon to Rolla, West Plains, it could start in the middle afternoon, late afternoon, but more likely going on into the evening hours before exiting by late evening. We do not want to forget that there is the possibility of flooding as well. There is a flash flood watch that's in effect through the night. And rainfall amounts total could be anywhere in that 1 to 3 inch range, especially north of Interstate 44. Therefore, we could see some flooding of low water crossings, creeks, and streams. A lot of the area's creeks and rivers are either elevated, or in some cases they're still flooding from earlier rains that we've had. This is especially true in the Osage River Basin and the Marmaton River Basin. However, there's other areas that you'll see from the Big Piney River over to Flat Creek, Spring River. Several different rivers are near flood stage already. Therefore, you really want to remain aware if you're going to be either traveling near any flood-prone areas or you live near any of these rivers. We want to make sure people have a way to receive weather information going through this afternoon and evening. It's a good idea to have more than one method. If you rely on your phone, maybe have a backup device. Have more than one method out of the ones listed here on the screen to give you that information in an instant. As we talk about flooding, we never want to drive around any barricades. If those roads are closed or if there's water over the road, please turn around. Don't drown. Summarizing here, thunderstorms will be redeveloping by 1 to 2 p.m. this afternoon, with severe thunderstorms likely in some areas this afternoon and evening. We are expecting heavy rainfall due to the repeated rounds of 1 to 3 inches of rainfall. The flooding will remain possible. Scattered showers will kind of linger into Thursday, and it will be turning much colder. If you do encounter come across any reports of severe thunderstorms or flooding this afternoon or evening, please, when it's safe to do so, pass that information along here to the National Weather Service using any of these methods on the screen here. That will really help us identify those areas and make sure we can all spread the message. Thank you, and stay safe.